So here's how to find the serial number and IMEI number of your iPhone 15. I have the Pro Max here, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. So what you want to do is go into settings. On the settings page, tap on your name or your Apple ID name at the top there. That takes you into your Apple ID page, and here you'll see all your Apple devices or devices logged into your Apple ID. Now the first option is normally the phone you're using, so it says this iPhone 15 Pro Max. So tap on that, and that should open the information about this iPhone, and that information includes your model, your version, your phone number, also serial number and IMEI number. Okay, so that's how to see the serial number and the IMEI number of your iPhone 15. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.